Today I'm going to do a short little video on the ethanol versus ethanol free gas. Through the whole summer I used the ethanol fuel. The 2000 Chevy Impala would suffer hesitation, stalling, lose a power, stall out, restart back up. Today at the Maverick gas stations, they offered the blue ethanol free fuel. I test drove it an hour and a half today in a 100-degree day. Lost all the hesitation and stalling. The car runs like it's brand new with tune-ups. No problems at all coming to work. I'd almost recommend everybody who maybe has these cars with hesitation, stalling, maybe go and try the ethanol-free gas. That's with full new tune-ups and everything. Kind of a short, dumb video, but I don't know, I lost my stalling hesitations. Maverick gas stations, blue ethanol free, good stuff. This car suffers and hates alcohol, gas. Have a good day.